grade 4 C3. I know you are incredible poets and have been even win a rap competition. I'm writing poem myself, but it feels very different from writing the essays. So what exactly a poem?
What I love about poems is they're so different, but I think the real heart of a poem is normally you need to have some feelings about something. So normally a poem is when you kind of play with words and you kind of squeeze as much meaning out of words as you can to share something with other people about something you're feeling or thinking or questioning.
Hello everyone, my name is Tom. When do you start to like writing poems instead of stories or other things?
It's a good question, Tom. So how old are you?
9.
Nine. Okay. So I started writing poetry when I was 10. So actually, if you really start now, I think you'd be better than I am. But I think when I was 10, when I would get home after school, I started finding short poems that I liked and then writing my own versions of those poems. And I just did it a lot. And I think it's a bit like writing poems, a bit like playing a musical instrument. So you have to keep practicing if you want to play a musical instrument. It's the same thing, and I would just practice writing poems again and again and again and again and again.
I often struggle to find the right words if I'm writing the poem, but it's not very good, so what could I do?
Oh, okay. I think when I write a poem, I think about it for a long time. So I go running. That helps me think about rhythm. So I think running is very useful for me. I have a rhyming dictionary. I read a lot. And when you read more, you expand your vocabulary. And that's really useful because the more words you can use, the more you can do with the poem. Another thing that I do is I try and gather all my words and ideas on a piece of paper first. So if I was writing about a poem about doctors, maybe I wanted to write about how great doctors are, right? I would write all my words about doctors on the piece of paper. And it's a bit like getting all my paints out before I start painting a picture, because you've got lots of words and ideas, and it means when you write the poem, you can be more strategic, more tactical, because you know what you're working with.
Which is your favorite poem that you've written?
Great question. Okay, it is whichever poem is newest. When I start a poem, I sometimes feel nervous, and I think, is it going to be as good as my other poems? And I have to spend a long time on poems until I'm very happy with them now. But when I finish a poem, the last part of writing a poem, I feel like I'm in a water slide. It's like really fun, and I really like it. So I normally want to share that. But the poem, I think, Rhinos Don't Cry, one of my books, is probably the one that has been the biggest. That's been translated into lots of languages, and it's all around the world. And my mum likes that one, so I'm very happy with that one.
During the poem writing workshop last week,
I think my superheroes are teachers. They tell me various animals.
the poet Margaret tell us the techniques about writing the poems, and he also commented our poems one by one.
I think writing a poem is quite free form. What you write depends on what you want to write. Our teacher said writing a poem is like riding a horse.
When you're rhyming and say what you want to say.
It's really hard to control the horse, which means it's really hard to make the words to rhyme. I enjoy writing poems and enjoy reading rhyming poems. And I agree with Mr. Mark that everyone can be a poet. In fact, we are all poets in our own ways.
Participating in an English poetry writing workshop is very useful. Firstly, poetry has some unique grammatical structures and rhythm requirements. Secondly, by creating my own poetry, I can better perceive the rhythm, rhyme, and intonation of English and cultivate my sense of language. Finally, I think it's improved me a lot of my writing skills and makes my English expression more vivid.
Poetry even more. During the workshop, we not just learn about techniques, we also share our ideas. We wrote our poem. Each poem is different, it's unique, it's the best. The teacher is amazing too. He taught different way to write poetry and encouraged us to express bravely. I realized that writing poetry is not just creating something, it's a way to express emotion. All in all, it's a good experience.